Understanding, could feel the fear. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, could feel the fear. This phrase is rich in imagery and emotion, and understanding it can enhance your English language skills, especially in expressing feelings and experiences. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to make it crystal clear. Could feel the fear is a phrase that combines modal verb usage with a description of emotional experience. The word could is a modal verb that implies possibility or ability in the past. Feel is a verb that describes the action of experiencing an emotion or a physical sensation. And fear is the emotion being experienced, a common feeling of being scared or apprehensive about something. This phrase is often used to describe a situation where someone experienced a strong sense of fear, but it emphasizes the potential or the ability to feel this emotion deeply. It can be used in storytelling, to create suspense, or to empathize with someone's fearful experience by acknowledging its intensity. Examples include, in a dark, unfamiliar forest, I could feel the fear creeping up on me. She stood on the stage for the first time and could feel the fear of public speaking. You might encounter variations of this phrase that carry similar meanings but offer different nuances. For example, I could sense the fear suggests a more intuitive understanding of fear. The fear was palpable, indicates that the fear was so intense that it almost felt like a physical presence. Understanding these variations can help you express fear or anxiety in more nuanced ways, depending on the context and what you want to convey. We hope this exploration of could feel the fear has illuminated its meaning and how you can use it to express emotions vividly in English. Remember, phrases like this one are tools for effective communication, allowing you to connect with others' emotions and experiences deeply. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to experiment with language to express yourself more precisely. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.